Ramadan was not the time for, okay, look here, now it's time to focus on me. No, now it's time to focus on taqwa at the level of the ummah. We just spoke about that. At the level of the community. It's now time for us to remember that we are a community, and all of a sudden we see the urgency and the importance of keeping ourselves and our families together, and why we must fill the masajid, and why it's important for us to restore brotherhood. We feel the connection to one another in Ramadan like no other time. This masjid, we specifically started our family dhikr nights because of the camaraderie, because of the mahabba that we felt during the nights of Ramadan. And we said, you know what? We need this far more than just in Ramadan. So let's have it at least once a month going forward. And alhamdulillah, for the last 2 years, that was the goal, and it's been working. Ramadan brings that sense of urgency for the community to stand together and focus on that which afflicts us all, to remove grudges and move past our differences.